And yeah, another day here at Alona Beach. Let's go see. It's 5:30 now. If there's some places we can swim. So there's a parking lot here. You can park until 11, pay 30 pesos. And you can hit the beach. A bar like this we could make alive, but I don't know.
Start watching. Balik ka sa Island starting.
Is that thingy that you want to try or not? No. Huh? So she went on and around trying this special thingy.
Mahal yan sa mga swimmer, ma'am, 80. Sa amin lang ang pinakamababang.
Sell.
Kalamay po.
Calamai. It's like a sticky rice or something like that.
Bigyan na lang ako na mag-sidaan, last price. Para may pinakamura. Mainit pa. Tingnan ko. 13 March. 10 days mo. Kanina gano'n. Okay. Isang daan mga pag-last price. Dito mo na ibigay ko. Nakababa.
What, too expensive? How much? Yeah, this is expensive area. Okay. So how much they wanted?
100, and then the small one is for
40 pesos. Okay. And this one, ask her prices maybe. She can same.
150 naman.
Huh?
150. Ano, 50. Very cheap.
So I think she wanted even more. The lady was very closer to the beach. Yeah. So you see, even Filipinos watch every peso, not only Big Joe. Well, here we are at Alona Beach, guys, again. For the second day. 2 more to go. So, where do you want to go now? Left. Left. So left, we go left. Oh, is there so many people waiting for sunset or what? Oh no, they're waiting for the dog surfing dog. There's a dog surfer. Yeah, it's a dog surfer. So all of them waiting for the dogito to surf his bird. There you go. He's not a great surfer, but he tries. Well, he tries. The surfing dog. I think that's it for today. Thank you. So we're going until the end of the beach because they have a nice swimming spot there. With the tablecloths there. They're trying to contact aliens. Seafood. It smells so bad, guys. Like they put some shelves into your nose. Blah. Sorry, you might know I'm not a seafood lover. Give me a steak anytime.
Oh, right, yeah, go on then.
And here we are, almost at the swimmable beach. With sandcastles in the clouds. Now we have to survive the attack of the masseuse ladies. And we made it through the massage ladies. And here we are at the swimming beachy beach. A little bit more there. So yeah. And here we are at a swimming post. Again, no sunset today. The clouds decided it's not the day. But still, these are the views you can get on Alona Beach. Plus the free music from the resort behind us. And with this, we end today's video. It was short but sweet. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to press like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one, guys. Take care. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you on the next one, guys.